Hey guys, Alex here from the Cell Doctor channel. In this video I want to show you how I am adding back the nuts for the Megacell Charger Pro commercial version. To make this print I had to remove the nuts and now I have to place them back. I borrowed this tool which will help me with this process. This is how it's operated. You press half and then it will do the rest. So let's try. When pressing on it, it automatically screwed it in. And let's try now. Oh, that's really nice, guys. Let me show you again. You screw it a little. And press half, got it in place, and then unscrew. Beautiful. And this is how it's done, guys. Now I can proceed with mounting the rest of the elements to complete this device. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video to be notified when we're releasing new content. All the best.